Chris here. It's been a while since I've posted. Um, but yeah, so I just want to explain like what I've been doing. So I was in a brutal eval jail for basically all of April until Monday where I passed. Um, like it was probably like one of the worst trading stretches I've had for a while because my March was really good, my February is good, but then I don't know, because I blew the accounts in order to not get moved to live. But then I just kept losing. I kept like doing stupid stuff, and I wasn't posting about it because I didn't want to like tell you guys that I, because I just had that case study posted with AB. I didn't want to like I didn't want my new subscribers' first impression to be me blowing evals, and that was pretty bad. But I passed them, and I should have been posting about it. Maybe I probably would have passed them quicker if I did post about my losses, but it's okay. And I have new accounts, and today, gotta. Um, so I have new accounts that I took like a half loss on Wednesday, and then nothing yesterday, and then today I made 6K, so 6.5K, and then yeah. So I'll get into the trade right now. Um, Replay mode. 9:30. Where that at? Yeah. So coming into the day, this is what I was really looking at. So, why can't I get rid of this shit? Okay. So I see, we're pretty close to all-time highs again. I'll pull up ES, like ES right here, pretty close to all-time highs, but there is a lot of room to go lower if we want to edge all-time high again. There's so many like stacked low resistance lows here. So this 15-minute bullish gap that we were in pre-market was my condition. We can, go higher or go lower. It depends what we see at market open. I saw this. This was a Trump low, a Trump tweet. So I kind of wanted this to get swept before before taking a trade, but didn't end up getting swept off open. It actually, um, if I pull up ES, it yeah, okay. So this is that same low. It made an SMT with this low. I wanted this low to get swept, but I did like this SMT originally. Let me draw it out correctly. Um, yeah, so I like this SMT, um, and then we start to go higher off that. So once this candle closed, I'm like, okay, if this next candle closes strongly above these accumulation highs, then I will take a long, because I'll take a long. I'll target Asia high, right here. Yeah, it was like, I don't know. Asia session was pretty weird, but that was Asia high right there. So I'm like, okay, if this candle closes strong above those highs, I will take a trade, and then that's what happens. So I enter here long. Um, I got like a pretty good fill, so I didn't have to extend past Asia high. But for the sake of this video, I will just extend it. But I didn't have to extend like live market because I got filled like right here, because I got filled on the next candle which opened low. But I took my break even at um, this 5 minute intermediate high, in the gap, and then pretty simple, just um, wrote it up. A little scared here, but I mean, you kind of just live with the results, and then yeah, that TP's there. Yeah, and then I was thinking about trailing if we would go to all-time high, but I'm like, new accounts, kind of want to build a buffer, so it's not really worth it. And then good decision as goes down. Um, but I wanted to talk about, I do want to start posting a lot more. Now that I've got this eval jail out of my head, I like, it was truly like a very rough time for me, in these past like 3 weeks. I had a lot of like self doubt, Like, am I really profitable? Can I really do this? And I just stopped and think. Like, I thought about my entire journey. I watched my case study with AB over. I'm like, I can definitely do this. Like, this is something that I've been working towards for like 8 months now, and I've had significant success that quite frankly a lot of people don't reach, and I just need to continue that. So I'm gonna start posting every single day on YouTube. Um, Not every single day, but every single trade I take will be posted to YouTube, and I will not skip out. Um, and yeah, so that is how I made 6.5K on my birthday actually. So yeah, I'll see y'all next trade I take.